Have you ever wondered what's inside one of these Ford cam phasers? Now these are pretty well known to fail and be problematic on the Ford Ecoboost engines. Now this particular cam phaser came out of a 3.5 Ecoboost engine in a front wheel drive configuration and had not failed. I replaced this as a preventative while doing a water pump job. So it looks like we got 4 T30s to take out of these. Now what do we have here? Now when the engine is shut off, these cam phasers are supposed to lock in the retarded position. I believe this spring and plastic piece actuate the steel locking pin that will actually lock these two pieces together. I believe that tip that's plastic that rides against the cover plate, they maybe made that plastic to reduce wear or reduce drag maybe? And here's that steel locking pin. So these cam phasers use oil pressure to control the retarding effect or the advanced timing effect of the camshaft. The computer controls a solenoid that then either sends oil pressure to one side or the other side of this fan looking deal. Now I would imagine what fails on these are these little Teflon looking seals that actually keep the oil pressure where it's supposed to be inside of these things. So it's got these on each fin there, and it's also got them inside the bore. So it's just this little plastic piece and a little tiny spring that goes on the back side of it. Pin right there is a pivot, and there she is stripped down. If you've never had this style of phaser out, the main timing chain drives this gear, and a secondary timing chain goes from this gear to the other camshaft. So this is pretty cool. So I've assembled this without the seals in here so I can move it freely. So this enables the ability to change the timing of the camshaft drastically. Look how much action that has. That is pretty amazing. I can see why it improves the efficiency. Just too bad it reduces the reliability. You can see this on the back side here. So this is the part that's actually bolted to the camshaft. Well, I certainly couldn't tell you exactly how it works, but I'm from the heavy-duty diesel world, and when you get complicated parts like this that perform an important task, that is a recipe for disaster. Remember, simple is best, even if it sacrifices some efficiency. Well, I hope someone found this interesting, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Keep thinking.